Hey guys, it's Bonnie from BOLDERBON. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing how I use my dashboard in my Erin Condren Life Planner. All right, so let's get started. So last week I set up my monthly view and I'm going to be referencing that to add to my dashboard. The dashboard and the monthly view have become my main go-to pages in my life planner. So I have pulled out my A5 notes kit. I also have my weekly notes kit. So this is like the version 2 of the main notes kit. They're both available in the shop right now. You can buy them separately or you can mix and match and do them a la carte. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with the right page. So I'm using the main September notes kit. This one is from the beautiful Koi Pond collection. So I'm just putting down the September header first. And then I'm going to put down the long checklist right underneath it. For larger stickers like this, I like to rub it on my hand first to make sure it is a little less sticky in case I need to pull it up from the page. Our paper is a beautiful premium matte paper. It is semi-permanent, so it's easy to actually move around, especially right when you put the sticker down. But this just makes sure that no paper gets pulled up with the sticker if I have to adjust it. So I'm just lining the sticker up with the lines to place the sticker down. It makes it so easy to place these. So this kit also comes with two fuller boxes, one with a checklist and one that is blank. I actually like to use the blank one up at the top. That way I can either write in a quote or put in what I am grateful for the month. I usually like to do a gratitude check on my notes page. And then below it, I have the checklist I'm going to be filling in once I get all of my stickers down. And then at the bottom, one of my favorite things is the daily tracker. Now, I actually do write in some of these things throughout my weekly page, but this is my main command center. So this is what I come to and look at pretty much every morning to make sure that I am on track. I look at my monthly view and then I look at my notes dashboard. And this really helps guide me throughout the month so that I stay on track with all the things that I need to accomplish. So on the left hand side is where I put down the version 2 of the notes kit, which is actually a weekly tracker. So I'll have my weekly tracker on the left and then the daily tracker on the right. And then up top, I like to keep my schedule. So I use this large box to keep track of that with the Monday through Sunday on here. And then I'm just using the lines to line these up. It is a little bit different than of the right side. Like you can see, there's no actual dashboard here. So I'm just using the regular notes page to put these down. But the kits are designed exactly the same way. So the width and the length are the same as the left and the right. So like I said, you can mix and match these. You can move the weekly tracker to the right and the daily pet tracker to the left, whatever you guys prefer and what will work for your system. So I'm just putting down the last two boxes and of course making sure that it's not too sticky in case I need to pull these up. So I'm putting down the checklist on the bottom and then the blank one up top, just like I did on the right hand side. And then I'm going to start filling this in and preparing for the whole month. So yay, I'm so excited. I absolutely love setting up these pages. So the first thing I want to do is put down all of the script stickers. So the smaller script stickers actually come with the main notes kit. So our main collection, if you get the September notes kit, will come with this. list. It also is sold a la carte, so if you do want an extra sheet to double up on the script stickers for the weekly version, you can buy that in the notes section. So on the right hand side, I'm going to be using the large running checklist as a to-do list. And then up top, I am going to be using that for highlights for the month. And then below that are going to be all of my important tasks for the month. So when I filled in my monthly view last week, I did do a video on that if you guys want to check that out. I filled in my to-do list as a goals, personal, and work section. So I have a couple of my important tasks on there. I want to move them over here and make sure that they get done. So on my to-do list, I like to actually write in all of my monthly tasks that need to get done. So like my budgeting, back up my hard drive, and monthly digital delete. And then for my daily tracker, I like to change these up each month depending on what I need to accomplish. So like if I need to work on getting the house cleaned up, I'll add tidy up to my daily task. That way I am working on it each day just as a small little task. And then by the end of the month, it should be all done. And that way I'm not overwhelmed with trying to clean everything up for the whole month. So I have my whole list here. I did add tidy up this month because I definitely need to work on that. And then for my important tasks this month, I only wrote down one, which is super important, which is fixing my brakes. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely not happy about that, but I do need to make sure that I get it done. So I have written it first. Then I just grabbed my sticker book to grab a September header for the left hand side. So you can see I've left still a lot of space on the right hand side. So as things pop up for my important tasks and my to-do list, I will have space to write those in. So moving on to the left hand side of the page. So I mix and match my personal life and my business life with my main command center. It's not a main command center if everything's not together, right? So I think they're both super important to work on. So up top, I'm using the blank box for a quote. This really helps motivate me and help keep me on track for the month. So this month, I've written planning for my best life. And then on the left-hand box, I'm going to keep track of the top 3 things that I want to accomplish for the month. These are typically business related, so things like my brand new product launches, new releases, or a new collection. I usually like to have at least one new release and then launch the new collections. And sometimes I have a product launch. I try and do a product launch maybe every 3 months, maybe sometimes more. Every now and then I will use this section for a personal top 3 if there's something super important that I want to focus on for the month, but it is typically business related. And then for the smaller checklist, I'm going to be using this month for the script sticker. These are going to be things that are happening this month, so like birthdays, anniversaries, events. So one of the main events that I know that is happening in September is the Hobonichi launch for 2024. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for the brand new 2024 Hobonichis. I have been using the Hobonichis for a couple of years now and I absolutely love them. I get them every year and Brian actually uses the A6 planner for himself. So I have turned him into a Hobonichi lover as well. And actually, I think this year they're going to be making some changes to the A6 planner. I am not sure what I'm going to do for him. I might actually have to order both of the A6 planners to give him some options. So I just filled in my weekly schedule, and now I'm just checking in on all of my goals that I want to accomplish for the month. So I wrote in that I would like to get 4 YouTube videos done for September. I also wrote in how many Instagram posts I would like to accomplish, how many TikToks I like to do, and reels and things like that. So I'm going to use this to keep track of that. This weekly tracker always comes with 5 weeks. That way, in case there is a month that has 4 or 5 weeks, I'll always have enough. And then that way I can just either cross it off as I do the video for the week or fill it in with one of my Tombow brush pens to make it a little bit more colorful. I also grabbed the little freebie sticker sheet that comes with the Koi Pond kit. I just wanted to put down a couple little extras. So the little love sticker, I thought that that would be perfect to put on the highlight section, and then a cute little lotus sticker, and of course the koi sticker to finish it off. So I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing how I use the dashboard page in the Erin Condren Planner, and that it helped give you a few ideas on how you can use your own. If it did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!